Hello forestry and heavy machinery enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a true legend of the woods, a machine that redefined power and durability in forest harvesting. We're talking about the iconic Timberjack 460 Grapple Skidder. Get ready to discover everything about the beast that made history. The Timberjack 460 is much more than just a forest tractor. It's a symbol of robust engineering and operational efficiency. Built to tackle the toughest challenges of the timber industry, this model cemented its place as one of the most reliable skidders ever produced by Timberjack, a company whose legacy of quality lives on through John Deere. Designed to drag cut logs across rough, uneven terrain, the Timberjack 460 Grapple Skidder is a perfect blend of power, stability, and versatility. It's so reliable that even though it's no longer in production, it remains one of the most sought-after machines on the used market. So what's the story behind this legend? Founded in the 1950s, Timberjack quickly became a pioneer in high-performance forestry machines. Their commitment to innovation and durability made the brand's name synonymous with quality and strength. The 460 model was the pinnacle of this engineering, combining powerful hydraulic systems, all-wheel drive, and a design built to endure the harshest conditions. Over time, the Timberjack 460 set a new standard for productivity, influencing generations of equipment that came after it. Now let's get into the technical details that make this machine so special. At the heart of the Timberjack 460 is the powerful and reliable Cummins 5.9 engine, famous for its fuel efficiency and low maintenance. This engine ensures you have consistent power, even on steep slopes. The 460D series also introduced a power shift transmission, which allows for smooth gear changes and superior traction control, especially in wet conditions with heavy loads. And with its full four-wheel drive, the Timberjack 460 maintains excellent traction on mud, slopes, and unstable ground, keeping both the operator and the load safe. Of course, we have to talk about its versatile grapple system. The grapple is designed to grip and move multiple logs at once, with operators able to choose between single and dual arch versions depending on the job. Many of these models came equipped with durable ESCO brand grapples. Plus, the Timberjack 460 could be fitted with an auxiliary winch, perfect for pulling logs from hard-to-reach places or on mountainous terrain. The machine's design is just as impressive. Its reinforced chassis and robust central axle are trademarks of its incredible durability, ensuring it can withstand years of intense work. Every component was designed to minimize downtime and maximize its service life. And Timberjack didn't forget about the operator. Later versions came with enclosed cabs, air conditioning, and adjustable seats, making long workdays more comfortable and productive. This machine's versatility is a key reason for its success. Depending on the year and series, you could configure the Timberjack 460 with a grapple or cable, different grapple types for agility or capacity, and various tire sizes to match the terrain. In the field, its performance is simply awesome. The balanced structure distributes weight efficiently, reducing ground impact, while the high-capacity hydraulic system delivers quick, precise responses for a faster work cycle. In 2000, John Deere acquired Timberjack, and the legacy of the 460 model was preserved and enhanced. The familiar green and yellow paint scheme marked a new era, merging two giants of engineering. The influence of the Timberjack 460 is still visible in modern John Deere forestry machines, cementing the Timberjack name as a legend. In conclusion, the Timberjack 460 is not just a machine, it's an icon, a symbol of strength, innovation, and reliability that has left its mark on generations of operators worldwide. Even decades after its launch, the Timberjack 460 Grapple Skidder continues to be a benchmark for performance and durability. From the Americas to Scandinavia, the name Timberjack still means a job well done. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the history of a forestry legend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.